Happy February, everybody. It is nice and cold outside today. I'm sure it probably is where you are as well. Figured it was a great time to do a cold weather shoe review and unboxing. Today we're going to unbox this CVT Wool. Coming up to you right after this, it's time for another StJudeRnr review. Alright, thanks for joining me once again. I appreciate all of the likes, subscribes, and comments. I answer back to those comments as quickly as possible, and I appreciate all of the asks, the questions that you guys ask on there. So today I'm going to do a wonderful unboxing of item I just received. I got these on directly from Vibram. They were on sale for 50% off, so I figured I would pick up a pair. I tend to have, in the winter time, I wear my Vibrams quite often for work and for other casual activities, so tend to get cold feet. As you know, Vibrams are pretty ventilated, so they give off heat really quick, and so your feet tend to get cold. I do wear wool socks, which help a lot with that, so not too bad, but I figured I would try something different. Because these were on sale, figured I'd pick them up, do an unboxing and a review of them. These are the CVT Wool shoes. These are in the size 45 is what I wear in these. They're in the gray color. Gray, doesn't have a fancy name to it, so figured I would give you that. First, here is the statement that comes in the box. Hopefully you can read all of that. It just talks about what they have, and if your shoes don't fit the way you would like them, if you're not 100% thrilled, return them and you can exchange or replace them. And then it talks a little bit about how they've been making soles since 1935. The Vibram FiveFingers have been around since 2006, about the time that I started wearing them. And then the Furoshiki shoes were launched in 2015. Haven't tried those yet. Maybe I'll try one of those in the future. They look really interesting and they pack up really small. So I just got done with doing the Dopey Challenge in Disney World. I wore my yellow V-Run FiveFingers for most of those races. The first race, which is only the 5K, I did in the Vakila LS. Actually, no, the Sia LS shoes, which are one of my favorites. You can't find them anywhere except for on eBay or some other sellers that are around still selling them. So I picked up a couple pairs in black and blue and have been wearing those for races. They're very well ventilated and very reflective, which I love. And I wish that more of Vibram shoes had more reflectivity to them, as I run a lot at night and there's not a ton of reflectivity on a lot of their shoes. So let's get on with the review. Actually, the unboxing and the review will come later. So these are, as I told you before, the CVT Wool. They come in the standard Vibram box. You are the technology on them. And then on the top, and this is what it looks like on the top. It's just a picture of the sole. I think those are from the original FiveFingers. That's what it looks like to me. And it has their website down here, as well as Facebook, Instagram, stuff like that. The natural training tool on that side. And on the end of the box, it's just another of the same shot as the top. Alright, so unboxing. Open this up. It just opens like a pretty normal shoe box. So on the inside, up here, they have the CVT Wool fitting tips, which is unusual. Most of the shoes, if I remember correctly, that I've purchased, when they have this fitting tool in it, it's just kind of a general. It doesn't have it specific to that shoe. So this might be something new. Maybe it's just I haven't gotten the newest shoes. So, but it talks about how to put them on and get your foot in them. So I'll take a picture and insert that now. Okay. So moving on, they're packaged in like this. They have this little tag on them. Pull that tag off, and this just talks about the sole technology on them and the top technology. So they feature a breathable, warm wool upper with a water repellent fabric finish, and the Vibram Violite Plus Ice Trek outsole. It's their ideal cold weather casual shoes for those seeking barefoot feel even when the temps drop. These ones are machine wash cold and air dry, as most of them are, and they warn you should always work into them. If you've never worn them before, don't start running a marathon or long distances. You need to give your feet time to get used to them. I found that out. A lot of people have asked me when they see me wearing mine if they're comfortable. I think that's the most common question, and they are comfortable, or else I wouldn't be wearing them. And they do take some getting used to. Yes, I can feel things between my toes. Yes, I can wear socks with them, that kind of thing. So a lot of people will wear these and then go out and try running a long distance, and then their feet hurt or their legs hurt or back hurts or whatever. It takes time to get used to them. You can't just go from a ton of cushion in a shoe to nothing and expect you not to have any issues. So I'm going to show you the shoe. Let's see if I can get it to puff up correctly. So this is the wool upper. It does feel like a wool upper. This is in the gray. There's a stitch that goes all the way around, and it stops on the back. It's actually covered up by that, and then you see it continues on the side. The toes on these are pretty stiff right now. I haven't broken them in, but if you look in between, there's still wool in between the toes too, so which is nice. They don't just have like a mesh fabric panel there. The laces are the standard laces. They do have plastic caps on the end, and then the eyelets are metal. So these are riveted in eyelets, and then the other ones are just regular, but they're all metal eyelets, which is nice for durability. The tongue has a little loop up here. You can put your finger through, I guess, to pull it towards you. And so that's the top, the upper of the shoe. It does have a little pull tag on the back. There is no loop there. I wish it had a loop, but it doesn't. So, and, you know, I guess it doesn't matter all that much. So on the inside of the shoe, it just has the normal Vibram FiveFingers logo on it, and the size information is printed on the back side of the tongue, and the machine wash instructions are on the side that's toward you. They're printed on there. So that's the top. Okay. Now going towards the bottom, these are the V-Lite bottoms, and then it has the Ice Trek rubber pods. So this right here is a total different feel than this. This is more of that EVA foam kind that is similar to the ones that are on the bottom of the V-Runs. And then this is actual rubber. It's very tacky rubber, and it's got a little bit of glitter built into it, which drives me nuts. Glitter, but it's the same material on the heel of this shoe as well. So that is the unboxing, the showing of these shoes. I'll add some additional photos at the end of this, and I'll come back and give you a review after I've had a chance to wear these for some time. It is cold outside, so I'm going to put these on and keep my feet warm. So that's the unboxing. I'll have a later video on the review of these. If you'd like to see me review any other shoes, let me know. I'd be happy to do a review of the Sias if you'd like to see those, or you can check out some of my other reviews that I have. I appreciate you taking the time to join me today for this unboxing of the CVT Wool FiveFingers shoes from Vibram. I look forward to hearing your comments in the comments below. Look forward to sharing some more videos with you in the future. I've got some other additional ones coming up on the run shorts, RUHN, that I've purchased. I've got a long-term review that I'm doing on those to see what you think and see what I think. I've never worn compression shorts before when I run, so it's something a little bit new, and they promise to not have any problems with having chafing or anything of that sort. So look forward to that review. Check out my other reviews. I appreciate your time, and I will talk to you later. Thanks.